it's finally complete. Well, not exactly because I do this weird thing, but you'll see later in the video. Hey my lovely ribbons, Yana here with a junk journal flip through video. I'll let the camera roll and chat a bit about the journal. My hope is that you get ideas from my junk journal pages and you find some inspiration here. I made this junk journal back in the summer of 2021 and it's now finished. I had taken one of the Amity Bloom's junk journal courses for inspiration. I felt excited to incorporate new things and techniques into a brand new journal, and I was really looking forward to start working in it. Flipping through the pages now, it gives me such a warm feeling. This journal has been the place for making YouTube ideas happen. It's been the home of my very first digitals. It's been a safe space when I gave up my pop-up channel and actually took the step to add some pop-up into a normal junk journal like this one. Working in it has given me something to share with you, my lovely community here on YouTube, and has been an entry point to the community I'm building over at Patreon. It's a very special book in many ways for me. I've shared some of the pages here on the channel in Journal with Me videos and craft tutorials. I will link the videos in the description below if you're curious to find out more around my process or try any of the craft ideas perhaps. It's such an interesting feeling to complete an entire journal, isn't it? We journal page by page, one experience at a time, one special memory or just another plain thought at a time, and the journal keeps growing with them. I love this process. This junk journal got so big at some point that I had to rip it up and try to fix the spine because it was getting too big for the tiny spine it used to have. I also switched up the front cover. It used to be just a plain cover and now it's a mini journal on the cover of the big journal. I love that idea. I did the same for my sweet Christmas junk journal as well. I've got videos on that, I'll share below. Going forward, I'll definitely keep the layered pages and keep some of the things I always like to do, but I've got new ideas I'd like to try in my next journal. Put more interactive elements in and more sparkle, more glitter. I love these things, but I often talk myself out of it, thinking that the vintage look wouldn't go so well with the glittery look. But you know what, I want to bring more of myself onto the pages, and if it means more shiny things, I'll just give it a go, and if it doesn't work, that's fine, but if it feels right, I would just love that. I'm curious, is there anything you feel you shouldn't add or do in your journaling because of aesthetics or because no one else is doing it perhaps? I'll miss this one, absolutely I will, but at the same time I feel quite excited to start using my sweet Christmas junk journal in December. Watch this video next. It's a flip through of my sweet Christmas junk journal ready for my December daily journaling. Oh, I'm so excited for that.